Does Apple TV have live sports? Apple TV offers access to live sports through various channels and subscriptions, providing viewers with a range of sporting events and content. First, Apple TV App Sports section. The Apple TV app features a dedicated sports section, offering immediate access to a wide array of live and scheduled sports events. Users can browse live games, view up-to-the-minute scores, and explore upcoming matches across different sports. This feature is available on devices like iPhone, iPad, and Apple TV. 2. Apple TV Plus Sports Offerings. Apple TV Plus includes live sports content as part of its subscription. Subscribers can watch events such as Major League Baseball, MLB games, and Major League Soccer, MLS matches. For comprehensive MLS coverage, an additional MLS Season Pass subscription is required. Third-party sports apps integration. Apple TV supports various third-party sports apps, allowing users to access additional live sports content. Popular apps like ESPN, NBA, and Fox Sports can be downloaded and used on Apple TV devices, providing access to a broader range of live sports events. Fourth, MLS Season Pass subscription. For dedicated soccer fans, Apple offers the MLS Season Pass, a subscription service providing access to all Major League Soccer matches. This service is available through the Apple TV app and requires a separate subscription beyond the standard Apple TV Plus plan. Fifth, Friday Night Baseball. Apple TV Plus has partnered with Major League Baseball to offer Friday Night Baseball, featuring a selection of MLB games available to subscribers without additional cost. This provides baseball fans with regular live game content during the MLB season. 6. Accessing live sports on Apple TV. To watch live sports on Apple TV, navigate to the Sports section within the Apple TV app. From there, you can browse live and upcoming games, select events of interest, and follow your favorite teams for personalized updates and notifications. 7. Subscription requirements and availability. While some live sports content is included with an Apple TV Plus subscription, certain events or leagues may require additional subscriptions, such as the MLS Season Pass. Availability of live sports content can vary by region and may be subject to blackout restrictions based on broadcasting rights. In summary, Apple TV provides access to live sports through its app's Sports section, Apple TV Plus offerings, and integration with third-party sports apps. Subscribers can enjoy a variety of live sporting events, though some may require additional subscriptions or be subject to regional availability.